Hi guys, it's me Ubprogrammer and welcome to the Haskell programming series, and in this lecture I will show you how to traverse a list in the Haskell with the map function. So I'll use map function in Haskell to traverse a list, and for those who don't know traverse, it is an operation for which we can use uh, to traverse or to iterate through a list and do some operation on the element one by one, right? So let's just create a list first, and I will do this in a do block, which you can just create by the command main equal do, and below this line with this indentation you can just write your lines of code, right? And I will just create a list which I will say my list, and using this let keyword I will just create it. And then let's say I have first 4 even number in my list for just demo, right? You can have anything in your list. And then I will just say let, and this time it will be a traversed list, and here I will use the map function. And if you are enrolled in any masters of bachelor program, you can contact me on this WhatsApp or this mail to discuss about your coursework or projects you are working on, right? Okay, let's use the map function here. And map function accept 2 arguments, in which first will be the operation which we want to do on our list elements one by one, and the second will be our list. So in this case I will just pass my list, which is this variable which has the list. And so this map function, what it will do is just do this operation on this list one by one. So in Haskell is just this one line of code, we just do that, right? And then I can just print this traverse list, and I hope it will work. So let's just run this program, and I have set up this environment with the code runner extension, and you can see we have just did this operation successfully with this map function, right? And the operation was very simple, just adding 10 to each element in our list, right? And we got 12 because 10 plus 2 is equal to 12, and 14, and so on. So this is how you can traverse a list or any sequence in the Haskell. And that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thanks.